This is Ian Lamont from Lean Media, and today I'm going to be talking about how to measure conversion rates for your Amazon product. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow my channel, and let's get started. So actually, let's get started over on Amazon itself and show what I'm talking about. So this is a detail page, and the idea is you want to measure how many people are actually purchasing the product who come to this detail page, and that's usually called conversion rate. Now, Amazon uses different terms for conversion rate, and actually, I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty details of the difference between a visit and a visitor and all of these other little things. Basically, I just want to have a rough idea of how many people, like if you have 100 people coming to this page, what percentage of them actually turn into a buyer. And that's a very important rate because it determines, first of all, how much revenue you'll get, and also determines what your cost will be if you're using something like Amazon advertising or external advertising to drive people to the detail page. So the easiest way to get the conversion rate is to go to your Amazon Seller Central, go to Reports, and then go to Business Reports, and you'll come to this particular page. And you want to click on Detail Pages, Sales, and Traffic. And Amazon, they do show conversion rate here, but they call it something else. And basically what you need to look at is the unit session percentage. This is just another way of saying conversion rate. And you can see, basically of the number of visitors that come to the page, what percentage of them are turning into orders. So 11% here, 7%, 5%, 4%, etc. So this is one way to get that particular rate. The other way to do it that I found is using Amazon advertising. And this is an Amazon advertising campaign that I have. And keep in mind, however, that this is just for the campaign that you're running. It's not necessarily reflecting all of the visits to the destination page, whatever product you're trying to advertise. But if you come to this particular page and then you click on columns and customize columns, what you want, get rid of all this stuff, except for clicks and orders, and click apply. So you can see here, actually, we can't see that easily, but I have 160 clicks for this particular campaign. 14 of them have turned into orders. So that's a little bit under 10%. So let's just say this is probably 8 or 9%. That is a conversion rate for this particular campaign. Now, the caveat here is that this doesn't reflect all the people who will be going to your detail page. So some people may be driven to a detail page from advertising. Other people may be driven by social media or Amazon organic search. They somehow come upon this particular page. So the Amazon advertising conversion rate will not kind of completely reflect everything that's going on. What I usually do for Amazon advertising actually is I'll export this data, I'll put it into Google Sheets or Excel, and then I'll run a separate column with it. I'll just call conversion rate, and then I can take a look at that. So that's a very helpful metric. But the easiest way to do it, if you have a product that's in Amazon Seller Central, is to look at unit session percentage in Reports, Business Reports.